Tashnish has changed my life. Every day I wake up, I feel special because I wake up to the messages and edits and posts of all the fans. And I'm busy, which is the best thing. I love being here on set. The set has become my home. I never had any negative thoughts. When I started the show, I was always very positive. I don't know, I always had this feeling that this show is going to be a big hit. I was always sure that this is going to be popular. I was very confident about the character that I was playing because I loved it. See, we all girls have few basic characteristics. So we are all same. It's just there are little things which are different. But yeah, Jasmine is a lot like Twinkle. Twinkle has changed a bit now because now she's in a different phase of her life. She's a married woman. She's almost lost her husband. Jasmine hasn't seen that much in life, so she's still not that calm and sober. Maybe with time, Jasmine becomes that. But almost everything is same. See, nothing comes to us easily because in this city there are so many people who want to be where we are, and we don't. They don't get enough opportunities. Even if you get enough opportunities, it needs a lot of hard work and persistence to be there. Otherwise, nobody takes your shit. So, it wasn't very difficult, but it hasn't been easy too. I contribute completely when I'm on set. I'm just Twinkle. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm just disconnected with everything, and I'm just lost in my scenes and what I have to do today. I miss him a lot. In fact, I came back last night only from Durban. We were traveling together, and it's always fun to be together because we've spent almost a year together. We've spent like 12 to 15 hours every day, 365 days of a year together. So we are very close, and it's always fun to be together. We're just laughing. Both of us are mad. So, but I miss him. I miss him being on set doing my scenes with him. Of course, it would be great if he comes back, but it's not possible. Why not? If something good comes to me, why not? There isn't any specific kind. It depends what in what zone I am to do at that certain point when I get an offer, and I am up to doing anything. I can manage whatever I do. Yeah, I don't know, and I think Telechakkar was the only place which published this news that there has been problem with the Among Us co-stars, and but I don't know from where you guys get your ideas. But we guys have never had issues. Otherwise, we guys would not be traveling, partying, laughing, crying with each other. So that's really shocking when such things come up, but they're not true. That's why they never get flared up too. Both of them, we started together, both of them, all three of us are totally mad. We love being with each other. Okay. Yeah, a message to all the fans. You guys have always supported us. Now there's, tracks are changing. Kunj is not there, but I still expect and hope you guys to support us because we are still working hard, trying to get tracks which you will enjoy. We are here to entertain you.